Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some hair transformations. We start off with someone who is doing their own cutting. So she has her hair placed in the ponytails. Ooh, looks like she ended up getting this very trendy bob. Love the shape with that one. And then we see someone going from a bob to a pixie haircut. She also got blonde, bright blonde hair coloring done as well. Gorgeous. Next up, we see someone going from shoulder length hair to a bob. Now she has a beautiful square face shape, and I think that a jaw framing bob would look amazing on her. So there is the before. Oh, so she ended up actually getting a pixie cut. Wow. I still think that a jaw length bob would have looked amazing on her. But the pixie looked nice as well. So then we move on to the next one. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Nice off-center part down the middle, curls added for some texture. So if you guys haven't done so, don't forget to like today's video. It really helps out my channel. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more in the latest hair trends. So next up, we're going to take a look at this blonde bob. Stylist is adding in some curls for some texture. Absolutely beautiful results. Wow, this is stunning. I love the shape that the stylist created. And then we move on to another bob haircut. She's a beautiful light rose gold lavender shade. So we move on to the next one. Looks like they are going to be going really short, so they ended up getting an undercut. Ooh, loving this bob transformation. The color looks absolutely gorgeous. And then last up, we see someone going from long hair to this pixie. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.